After then differentiating, we are then asked to integrate this other question. How can you integrate this one? It's also quite easy. Take a look. To integrate this, since we have x squared plus 5x plus 4, all that is joined, you can separate, since they are this addition, you can separate them to have integral of x squared gx plus integral of 5x gx plus integral of 4 gx, because this gx is multiplying all of them. If you open the bracket, gx will be multiplying each and every one. Then you can open like this. This is the principle of integration, and we also apply in differentiation, that you separate like this and then you are going to integrate separately. Okay, using the principle of integration, if you integrate this, you are going to have what? Because you have integral of a x to the power n, that will be equal to what? You put a outside, x to the power what? N plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus a constant c. Okay, at this point, I'm going to do the same thing. That will be what? X squared plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. We are not going to add a constant here, because you add constant everywhere, you have 3c, that is still c. Okay, that is why I'm just going to do it 5x to the 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, since we have 4, we have to have 4 gx. 4 integral of gx will have what? X. Hence we are going to have 4x here. Hence the final answer will be what? X cubed all over 3 plus 5x cubed x squared all over 2 plus 4x with a constant c. That is the answer to this question. Hope you understand this thing. See you in the next video.